Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Open Spotify and verify you're signed into the account you used to listen. On mobile, grant storage or activity permissions if prompted. That helps sync your recent plays. Once signed in, tap Home to surface the most immediate history items and make sure offline mode is off so networked history updates. If you use multiple devices, focus on the device where you most often play music to find the most complete recent listening record. Now locate the recently played list to view tracks, playlists, and podcasts you accessed. On mobile, it's on Home, while desktop shows it under your profile or the queue icon. Once there, scroll to scan timestamps and context, playlists versus single tracks to reconstruct sessions. For the last few minutes, open the play queue. That displays recent and upcoming items in order. If you use Spotify Connect, make sure to check the device filter so you're viewing history. To get a fuller log, use the desktop app. Open the queue panel and click History to see an extended list of played tracks. Once done, compare that to your library and saved playlists to separate played versus saved content. If entries are missing, make sure the app is synced, log out and back in, clear cache, and confirm you're viewing the correct device's history. If problems persist, toggle network settings and repeat playback to test whether new plays register correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.